Come with me as I travel my first time to Puerto Rico. Whew, 5:30 in the morning. This is the line already. Welcome to Puerto Rico. Hey, Puerto Rico. Hey. Look at who we have here. We were on the same plane. We didn't know. It is. This is my past mentee, my class. This is everybody from back in the day. So good to see you. She's going on I'm just going on Virgin though. She's not going on ours.
Virgin, all adults, no kids. Yeah.
One day. And Auntie made it. She made it.
Yes, I did.
It has been a whirlwind. We just got off, got my aunt, and now we are waiting for the Uber. So by the way, if you have never been to Puerto Rico, your service should work because it's a U.S. territory, and we were able to get an Uber really quickly. Everything's in English. You're okay. Just make sure you follow the signs. Let me show you the sign now. So you want to go downstairs to baggage claim, and then if you're catching a ride share, follow the signs for ride share, Uber, whatever it is. I think mostly it's Uber here. And you want to get in between pillars 16 and 19 and just wait. So our Uber is coming soon, like within 4 minutes now. As you can see, we made it to the hotel. We are not allowed to check in until another couple of hours. So I have changed into something more weather appropriate. Auntie is over here charging her phone for a bit, and then we're going to see if we can find something to eat and maybe catch up with the family if they're not too far away. Finally, in our middle of our walk at this cafe.
After a mile. So
I know,
exactly
we walked a mile
Yes.
already. We still have a little ways to go, so it's a good little break for us. But we're waiting for our food to eat. This little cafe spot. It's not really Puerto Rican, but we're gonna make it work because we're hungry. Let's get into this food. Yes, this is a French toast burger, and you have what type of omelet?
It was. It has vegetables and cheddar cheese.
Vegetables and cheese.
And
Okay.
pesto.
Pesto. Okay, so like a veggie omelet. I did not realize they have a Holocaust memorial here. One day I have to come back to view this. We have made it to our destination of Casa Blanca Hotel. Look how gorgeous this place is. This is where Auntie and Uncle are staying. Nice. We came up to the rooftop. Look at the view.
We not dropped my phone.
Look, beach is over there and some mountains. Yeah, rooftop. There's some of my family here.
This is nice. I can hang out.
Not the tubs on the rooftop. Goodness. Finally got my Puerto Rican food. Look at the Mufongo. Looks good. I'm not sure what this is all about, but hey, our room is 7832, and we're in like this little alcove, so you have to have alcove, alcove. You have to have a little key to get in. And then once you enter, we're actually in a little space where there's 2 rooms, one right here, and then ours is right here. And you just put your key in to go into our room. We're gonna do a quick tour here. Here is the opening, and we have our ice bucket along with some extra storage down here. And this looks like it's a connecting door. It's not gonna open, but here is our closet. Oh, we have a refrigerator. Refrigerator, put the food in there. Safe. Iron and ironing board. Here is the bathroom. Very pretty and clean. Hello. Not them leaving the Clorox spray in here. Not sure what that's about. All right, 2 double beds, one for Auntie, one for me. TV is pretty good size, and more storage as well, along with a chair, desk, and the results is the balcony, which how do you open it? Yep. Look at our view. Whoop. Wow. Come on, view. All right, not exactly what I had planned for Puerto Rico. I wanted to do a little bit more exploring, but you know, sometimes when you're traveling with others, you have to just kind of go with the flow. That's what we did. We had plenty of food though, and mingled with family. Calling it a night. Have a long day tomorrow. Stay tuned. We got some other things planned. You don't want to miss it. Be sure to subscribe, and if anything, press that like button. We'd really appreciate it. So for now, bye.